Rough-in wiring series receptacle outlet. 1 cable in the box. New receptacle outlet installation and splicing in opened framing. With details. Mark the receptacle box. Nail box to the stud. Drill holes where needed. Run cable, wire and staple it. Protect cable by nail plates if needed. Make knockout in the box. Insert cable into box knockout and staple it within 12 inches of the box. Cable from entry the box and the end should be between 12 inches and 18 inches long. Strip cable jacket. Cable sheath jacket shall extend beyond the enclosure, electrical box, entry not less than 1/4. Push wires into the box, hold them in place, catch all wires and cut it in the front of the fist. Fold wires and push neatly into the box. More details and explanations on wiring presented in this video. Receptacle outlet marking. Details. Height for receptacle boxes 14 inches from floor to bottom of the box common. Measure distance from floor 14, and mark stud for receptacle box. Mark shows bottom of receptacle box. Receptacle box attaching to stud. Details. When attaching this PVC box to the stud, make sure that the mark on the box for 1/2 sheetrock is against the stud and evenly touching it. Place the box on the side of the stud and match bottom of box with marking on the stud. While holding box against the stud, dry box nails into stud. Drilling holes. Details. Drill holes in any height of the studs horizontally, but usually it is about 30 inches to 40 inches above the floor in each stud along the wall where needed. Side stud view and details. Hole diameter in 2 inches by 4 inches. Stud should be not larger than 7/8 inch. Common drill size can be smaller, but not smaller than 1/2 inch for cable run. Edge of hole should be on center of the stud and not closer than 1¼ inch from edge of the stud. If the hole is closer than 1¼ inch from edge of the stud, cable must be protected by 16 gauge 1/16 steel nail plate in appropriate length. For wider holes than 7/8 inch diameter, steel nail plate require on both sides of the stud. Any stud can be drilled or bored not more than 60% of the stud width. The hole is not closer than 5/8 inch to edge of the stud, and the hole is not located in same section as a notch or cut. Multiple hole can be drilled as needed. In wider studs, hole can be larger. Any stud can be drilled or bored not more than 60% of the stud width. The hole is not closer than 5/8 inch to edge of the stud, and the hole is not located in same section as a notch or cut. For top and bottom plates, same drilling rules apply as for the studs. In ceiling joists, holes can be drilled with diameter of no more than 1/3 depth of the joist and 2 inches away from top and bottom edge of the joist. In multiple holes, distance between holes must be 2 times diameter of the larger hole. Hole can be drilled at least 1 inch of the joist's ends. Cable all installation. Details: cables must be installed and supported in a neat and workmanlike manner, that the cable will not be damaged by normal building use. Cable run over the beams, through the studs, and in horizontal chases usually are naturally supported. Non-metallic sheeted cable, NM Romex, shall be supported and secured by staples, cable ties, straps, hangers or similar fittings designed and installed so as not to damage the cable. Distance between supports shall not exceed 4.5 feet. Support from the enclosure's outlet box shall not exceed 12 inches. After cable enter the box, it must be around 12 inches to 18 inches long past box entry. Cable must be stapled on its flat surface, not the edge. No more than 2 cables can be stapled together by same staple. Cable stapled on center of the 2 inches by 4 inches stud must have its edge 1¼ inch from edge of the stud. Otherwise hangers, cable stackers, etc. must be used to support that cable. Maximum 3 cables and 7/8 inch studs drilled hole. If hole is not center of the stud, less than 1¼ inch from stud's edge, cable must be protected by nail plates. Cable splicing. Connection. Details: strip wire jacket, cable sheath jacket shall extend beyond enclosure, electrical box entry not less than 1/4 inch. Too much jacket left in the box makes box enclosure jammed and mean poor workmanship. Push wires into the box, hold them in place, catch all wires by fist near front of box. It gives you the length of minimum 6 inches of wire from cable sheath in box entry required by code, and cut wires in the front of the fist. Fold wires and push them into the box. More videos available. See videos description.